I'm going to burp in Edward J. Villager's face. Ha 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 ha. Get ready, Edward J. Villager. Because I'm going to burp in your face.
Oh my god. Herobrine Villager. How dare you burp in my face? That's it. Go home right now. I am telling your guardians about this.
No 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 no.
Oh my god. Herobrine Villager. How dare you burp in Edward J. Villager's face? That's it. You are grounded for 50 years.
Go to your room right now. And don't come out.
Yeah.